We're here right now at Extremely Express. SM. Here's my date for tonight. For tonight again. Ma'am Dang, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hindi ko sinabing mag-wait ka. Say hi.
Hi.
Good.
Hello.
Here's Lo. How is it? How is it? Good. Ano yan, Shin? Here's Mr. Saruy. Where's your partner?
Brandon, yung mango.
Oh, there's her partner. There's his partner. Say hi, say hi. Saruy. Once again, Saruy. Mr. Mac Milby. How are you? How's your strawberry? Strawberry.
Oh, mango.
Mango? Strawberry siya. Mango? Wow. Mango, kulay red.
Oo nga.
Ang pagbabalik ng head nurse. Yeah.
Cute.
How's the Andros?
Ang sarap.
Ang sarap.
Awesome.
Here's Miss Koto Cake. Hi, Gail. Biro daw. Why so serious? Toxic.
Putot yun.
Ayan yung birthday girl. That's the birthday girl. Happy birthday. Here's, yeah. Don't forget the ER stuff, ha. Pag na-ER ako, ha, alam mo na. Pag kang masyadong tatawanan. Oh, Sir Mike, say hi. Say Saruy. With feelings. Oh, ganito. Parang, Saruy. I like that. Thank you. Wow. I'm having a problem. Can you help me?
Sa Facebook.
Ano ordering kong drinks? Anong mahal dito? There's Mac. How's the pizza? Struggle? Tua looking for a porn.
Yeah.
Pare, gutom na din ako. Me? Tua. Lo, here's Tua again. Hey, Tua. Mike. Love the view over here. Oh, crap. Tumayo na. Wala, pare, tumayo na eh.
Say bye.
Goodbye, Degs.
Hindi nag-iiba lasa nun.
Coke daw, masarap. Oh, picture.
Hindi na yung papel mo niya ba? Oo, ganyan.
Yan ang version ng galit-galit pag kumakain. Hindi naman, video lang. Obviously. Ay, hindi. Gusto mo scandal? Sorry.